Hi everyone, welcome to Melissa's Home Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very super easy dal curry. So we have here about 750 grams of red lentils. It's been washed several times and soaked for about an hour and a half. And then we're going to have about 2,400 ml of water, 2 medium onions chopped finely, about 45 grams of butter, and we have about 1.5 teaspoon of whole grain mustard, 1.5 teaspoon of coriander, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, and 1.5 teaspoon of garam masala, about 4 cloves of minced garlic, about 1.5 tablespoon of minced ginger. And here we have 3 tablespoons of the Baba's curry powder with 4 tablespoons of water made into paste, and we have about a liter of the vegetable stock, and 2 sprigs of the curry leaves, 2 cans of chopped tomatoes, and salt to taste. So let's get started. Firstly, we're going to boil 2,400 ml of water. So now the water is boiled, we're going to add in the lentils and let it simmer and cook for up to about 45 minutes. Make sure you stir them every 10 minutes. Now the lentils is nearly cooked. We just keep stirring them. Make sure it's not sticking. And just lower the heat and let it simmer. While the lentil is still simmering, we're going to heat up the pan on high and we're going to add in the butter. I'm going to add in the onions. I'm going to fry the onion until it's slightly brown and soft. Now the onions is slightly brown, we're going to add in the garlic and the ginger. Once it's soft, don't forget to stir the lentils. We're going to add in all the spices. Once it's fragrant, we're adding in the curry paste and the curry leaves and the chopped tomato. So we're just gonna let this simmer. On medium heat. About 5 minutes until it's boiled. So now the spices and chopped tomato, everything is boiling. We're just going to lower the heat and let it simmer again for about 5 minutes. Okay, so now the spices and the mixture are all ready. We're just going to switch off the heat. Now we're just checking the lentils. It's nearly done. We just need it to thicken up a bit. So let it simmer for another 10 minutes. Lentil is ready, so we're going to add in the mixture, the spice mixture into the pot. Just give it a stir and let it simmer for about 5 minutes on low heat and making sure it's not sticking. So now the dal curry is ready. And we're just going to add in a cup of vegetable stock. Let it boil. Now we're just going to season it. Adding about a teaspoon of salt. And now we're going to taste and see whether we need more salt. bit more salt. A teaspoon of salt in. Now it's ready. So I'm just gonna switch off. So here's our dal curry. You can normally serve it with rice and with the roti chana. You can look through the roti chana video in my previous video. Just check it out if you want to make roti chana. So I hope you enjoyed today's cooking and look forward to see you again next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you next time.